this little beauty that I found at Costco is the king of all steaks, and I'm gonna show you how to perfect it. Let's jump into the show. Making rib caps, ribeye caps. If you can find these at your local Costco like I did, or your butcher or your supermarket, this by far is the king of all steaks. Now, when you go to a restaurant, some people might order the filet mignon. Yes, the filet mignon may be slightly more tender, but there's two things with steaks: tenderness and flavor. And this spinalis dorsi, the ribeye cap, the rib cap steak, is the best steak that I have ever had. Now, I'm sure all of you guys have cooked a big, fat, juicy, bone-in or bone-out ribeye steak at your house. What we're cooking today is the spinalis dorsi, the rib cap, okay? Now, if you remember what a ribeye looks like, you got the center, you got a little layer of fat, and then that beautiness on the outside. Separate that center, take that beautiness on the outside, and wrap it. This came like this from Costco. You can see the butcher's twine. This makes up absolute magic and perfection. You just got to cook it right. And today we're doing a reverse sear on our pellet grill. Now, jumping right into this cook, we're going to be using some UncleSteveShake.com. We're going to be using his All-American SPG. Very simple, very basic, very awesome. Salt, pepper, garlic, roll the sides. Just get it very basically seasoned up. Salt, pepper, garlic. And I like Uncle Steve's Shake because he has big peppercorns in it. He has big flakes of salt in it. Everything that UncleSteveShake.com makes is actually very fantastic. So we'll just get that rolled. Super easy. We're keeping that butcher's twine on from Costco. If you have it from your butcher or whatever, just keep it on. It holds it all together. Like I said earlier, pat that in. We'll just let this chill for a little while. Grab your favorite pellet grill. The best pellets ever, Naughty Wood pellets. We're full, thank goodness, so we don't need to fill up today. Let's get this thing fired up. Now, there's a couple different ways that you could prepare your rib cap steak. And we've seen it done a bunch of different ways. When Babe and I go to a fancy restaurant, we've ordered the rib cap before. When we see them at Costco or our local butcher shop for a good price, we've made the rib cap plenty of times at the house. Today, what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna be using our pellet grill. Like I said earlier, we're gonna be doing the reverse sear method, which simply means we're going to be bringing the steaks up low and slow till the internal temperature of the steak is 110 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm gonna open the sear plate technology, I'm gonna crank up the pellet grill, and I'm gonna sear them over live fire. That's gonna bring them up a little bit higher, and I'm gonna serve them medium, probably medium rare, the way that Babe and I like them. That's just how we're doing it today. We've done it in a pan with butter, thyme, and garlic. We've started it on a pellet grill. We finished it on a flat top griddle. We've done them on the gas grill, using one side as like an indirect, then searing them off. There's a lot of different ways you could do it. They all taste great. This is just how we're gonna do it today. Now, we're gonna get this cranked up to 250 degrees. You can hear those Naughty Wood pellets rolling. Once that grill gets hot, we'll start working indirect reverse sear cooking. We'll just drop these on. We'll check back in about 10 minutes. We'll keep monitoring internals with our Thermopin 1. Thankfully, it's only 58 degrees outside right now. But I have to roll our top tier channel members, our epic tier 2 and our level tier 3 channel members, everybody that's taken that time to hit the little join button next to the subscribe button on YouTube. Thank you all so much. If you follow us on social media, thank you very much. We appreciate all your love and support. All right, let's jump back into the video. I opened up the sear plate technology. It's been about 17 minutes or so, and we're just hitting an internal of 93 on that one. We're hitting an internal of 107 on this one. So we're about ready. Got the Naughty Wood fired up to 500 degrees, and then we'll sear these babies. Hello, babe, and welcome to the video.
Hello, babe.
What are you making here?
I'm reading how to make a packaged gravy.
What does your shirt say?
There's some hose in this house.
Are you
I'm
getting
decorating
festive?
for Christmas.
So what do we got under here?
Boxed mashed potatoes.
Okay.
Your favorite.
And you're making
Packaged gravy.
packaged gravy. But so I pulled them off the grill. I cut the butcher's twine. I put a tiny bit of butter. Do you want to do the big reveal?
Yeah.
I haven't cut them yet though.
Oh boy, we haven't had these in a long time.
Yeah.
We learned about these at Gordon Ramsay's.
Yeah. Yeah, all I did was pull them off the grill. I took the butcher's twine off, put a little butter, and I've just been letting them rest. So, and then what do you got in here, babe?
Green beans.
Green beans. That was on the grill. So,
Real green beans, not
all right.
canned.
Real green beans, not the canned. Yeah, okay. All right, let's slice these up. Now, you got to remember, these steaks are a little bit more tricky, and don't mind the shadows, to cut against the grain because they're rolled like I talked about in the beginning of the video. But you can see, sorry about the lighting, that's how much those 2 rib caps yielded. Medium rare, just like we like it. Maybe one day we'll get some proper lighting up in here. But you can see, super juicy. You didn't even need a knife. You could have cut that with a spoon. That's how much it just easily cut. So, so good. Now, babe has to be the taste tester. Look at the plate you made me.
I know.
Look at the shadows, babe.
That's love.
We need to get some, like, professional YouTube equipment up in here.
Yeah.
Oh, you're trying... But the whole video is about my steak, and you tried the box mashed potatoes
the
first. Okay, talk about the steak, babe.
All right. Rib cap. We learned about it at Gordon Ramsay's restaurant in the Paris Hotel in Las Vegas.
Yeah.
Actually, with Cooking with CJ and Melise. Yeah. That was the first time we had it. It's so good. Fantastic.
If you can find it at Costco or your butcher or anything, it is a treat.
Like butter.
It is a real treat.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Mm.
You'll try a nice big piece, babe.
It really is. It really is so good.
That blows a filet mignon out of the water.
Mm-hmm.
Because the texture is almost like a filet mignon, but the taste is more beefy and better than a filet mignon.
It blows almost any steak out of the water.
Yeah. All right. There it is, folks.
Thank you, babe.
Another professional YouTube video from the Josh and Babe cooking channel.
I just come in at the end now.
There you go. Okay.
Okay.
Goodbye. See if we can get a thumbnail out of this, like, or I'll probably have to do it like this. Some type of thumbnail like that, maybe, like. This little baby. This. My goodness. Okay, train, we got it.